Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Raft co-op. First, the host needs to start a new game from the main menu and select Host Game. This creates the world where everyone will play together. Make sure your game visibility is set to online so your friends can find you. Once the game loads, your friends can easily join directly through their Steam friends list. It's a straightforward process to get your survival adventure started with others. Once you've loaded into your Raft world, inviting friends is simple. Open the Steam overlay by pressing Shift plus Tab. From there, you can right-click on a friend's name and select Invite to Game. They will receive an invitation that they can accept to instantly join your Raft. This method ensures a smooth connection, allowing you to quickly team up and begin exploring the ocean together. Remember, up to 8 players can share one Raft. Sometimes, you might encounter minor connection issues. A common fix is to ensure everyone has the exact same version of Raft installed. Outdated game files can prevent successful connections. If problems persist, try restarting both Steam and the Raft game itself. Also, briefly check your firewall settings to make sure Raft isn't being blocked. These simple steps often resolve most co-op connection difficulties, getting you back to building and surviving. Playing Raft with friends truly enhances the experience. Coordinate your efforts. One person can gather resources, another can focus on building, and a third can manage cooking. Sharing responsibilities makes survival much easier and more enjoyable. Remember to communicate frequently to avoid misunderstandings and maximize your progress. And hey, while you're out there surviving, make sure your feet are comfortable. Check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals to keep you cozy during your adventures. Happy rafting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.